guys, so another little quick drawing tutorial that I want to give you. This one is great for little kids, ages I would say 5 to 8. You could probably even impress some kids who are up to the age of 10. This is the CUC puppy that was taught to me by one of my students, Ian. So let's take a look down and you'll see some examples of the puppies that I've drawn, and you can always make these fun with different variations of noses, or the tongue sticking out, or them singing, or give them hats, or change their tails. But it's a really simple process where we're just going to draw the letters C, U, and C, and then we're going to connect them with another upside down U and then a half circle. And that creates the basis of the puppy. And now you can draw whatever details you want. I usually like to start with the nose because the nose kind of makes it look more, more like a puppy to begin with. You can give it an eye, you can give it paws, and a little tail. And then if you want to add other details, it's really fun to do. So go ahead and do this with your little kid friends, or if you're a little kid, go ahead and do this and show other kids, and hopefully it's going to get you drawing. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, LZM Studio, where I frequently release quick tips and all kinds of different ideas about drawing. Also check out my Facebook and my Instagram page. I like to show photographs of my artwork, of my students' artwork, and share funny stories from my students on those pages. And then check out my website, lzmstudio.com, where you're going to find more inspiration and full-length, detailed tutorials.